Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to panel. Today I will present for my PSM1, which my topic is to determination the soil profile by using the seismic refraction method. My name is Nur Asha binti Muhammad Rashid. My ID is AA17197. My professor is Professor Madia Dr. Hayati binti Awang. Okay, we move to introduction. The design and construction of foundation and embankment require knowledge of the engineering properties and thickness condition of subsurface soil. Normally, the engineering properties and ground profile for the purpose of foundation design is obtained by soil investigation. A significant part of a foundation investigation is the proof of the profundity to a skill layer that can support load moved by the foundation. Conventional site portrayal include the drilling of borehole at choose dividing to produce a model of soil layer. So this drilling will contain by a limit budget, drilling equipment, environmental regulation and challenging in obtain permission to enter private properties. This research is about to investigate the subsurface condition of proposed site for a new building project. Okay, my problem statement. To obtain subsurface information for engineering project, conventional site investigation by using borehole drilling is normally applied. However, borehole log only provides single point of underground information and it is discontinuous or indiscrete point. There is a problem when the condition between the borehole log is sometimes misinterpreted because it is made by assumption. We do not know what is the thing that present in between the log, such as cavities or powders. In order to get continuous subsurface profile of a site, a non-distract method, namely seismic refraction, is proposed. Therefore, this study is about carry out a site investigation to subsurface profiling using seismic method. Okay, this is location of study area, which is located at the surrounding of Corroundatious Q and Care Rehabilitation Center, CCRC Karak, Pahang. A series of site investigation activity is ongoing here. Objective. This research focus on soil profile. In order to achieve the aim for this research, the following objectives had been established. First, to determine the soil profile through seismic refraction method. And number 2 is to compare the information provided by the seismic refraction method and borehole method in evaluating soil profile. Scope of study. This research will undergo the seismic refraction method to determine the soil profile. The seismic refraction method uses the reflection of seismic wave on geological layer and soil or rock unique to characteristic the geological and geological condition of the subsurface. The method requires the determination of general soil type and the estimate depth of the strata or the foundation limit. Okay, geological area. According to geological map of Malaysia, the study area was located in Semantan, Formenting, which is located along Karak Temerloh Road. The lithology of this area consists of a series of metamorphic rock, interbed of pylic, sandstone, and shale. In certain parts, this area may have rarely volcanic rock. Significance of study. Provide significant information of underground condition and engineering properties for foundation design. Illustrate the ability of the seismic refraction process in provide cost-effective and time-consuming of site investigation. Literature review. Okay, this part present the review of previous study related to the research title and gather information of the soil profile. In order to investigate the soil profile, we conduct the seismic refraction method, and this all review that I have made. Okay, meteorology. To avoid problem occurring during the progress of completing this research, the planning must be carried out before the start of the project. There are few steps to methodologies of this research. Okay, first we start with research, selection of the site at CCRC Karak. Geophysics method which I use is seismic refraction, and I will get the result and compare with borehole method, reporting, and end of my research. Okay, this is seismic equipment. The seismic refraction method of investigation was carried out using 24-channel terralock seismometer of Abim, Sweden product. The equipment consists of a main unit, seismograph, 24 geophone, two multi-coil cable of 5-meter interval with 12 take-off on each cable, a rail of connecting cable from shoot point to seismometer, a 18-pound sledgehammer, and a metal plug. The exact location, namely longitude and latitude of this traverse survey point, were determined in the field with help of GPS Garmin model. The horizontal accuracy of GPS is nearly 3 until 4 meter when the strong satellite signal was detected. The coordinate of the survey line area as this figure. Okay, seismic signal generated at each shoot point with 80-pound sledgehammer striking against a metal plate were picked up by the linear area of geophone connect to a terralock 24-channel seismograph. Data recorded during field surveying operating was generally good to excellent quality. The numerical schematic diagram of seismic element is shown in this figure. Okay, this all picture for site work at CCRC Karak. Borehole drilling. The borehole drilling is not yet carried out, therefore no method and work procedure can be shown on here. The drilling will be doing soon in August 2020. Okay, preliminary result. Interpretation of seismic image SL1. Based on the result of seismic profile in figure 4.1, it shows that the first layer with seismic wave velocity of 347 ms predominantly consists of a topsoil with depth 10 meter thick on the left side and receding to 5 meter thick at the center of the line. Seismic velocity is increased when encounter different medium, which indicate by seismic velocity of 2,2448 interpret as a bedrock. The bedrock level identified at depth of 10 until 5 meter from ground level based on seismic tomogram of SL1. Analysis and hypothesis. The result from seismic image will be correlate with the bollock to compare the profile and stratigraphy layer of the subsurface. It is suspected to both result will provide a good agreement of the subsurface profile where the soil layer of bollock match to the seismic soil layer. Okay, this is planning and schedule, which is starting from week 1 until to week 14. Okay, that's all from me. If have any question, kindly can contact me at this number. Thank you.